Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we have a fabric haul. Let's get into it. So this fabric haul is from two different places. I have a thrift store and I have a quilt shop. We have gone to the quilt shop before. This is the same quilt shop that I got the project panel from, the quilt pattern. What else did I get? Oh, the banner project panel. It is Serendipity Quilt Shop and it is in Delaware. It's such a nice shop. The ladies there are very kind. So I've got some project panels here. I've got some zipper tape, and then I have some fabric. And then from the thrift store, I just have fabric. This thrift store is the first time I've ever been. It's really tricky to go to this thrift store. They don't have very good hours. It's very small and limited. And when you are there, because the hours are so small, it is jam-packed. It is overstimulating. It is cash only. So it's just like, you can't even think. You're just like, do I want this? Do I not want this? And you make your decision and walk away. So anyways, these are the fabrics I ended up getting. I would go back again. They had a lot of stuff. It was just overwhelming with people and lack of time and lack of space. So anyways, let's go through the haul. So we have some different project panels. This guy was $13.75, and this is a bunch of states. I'm thinking maybe make a wall hanging for this, maybe make some like pot holders for this, like a table runner maybe, or what else could I do with this? I don't know. Like, those are some things I'm thinking. So that, okay, I'm trying to find the panels that like go together. Hold on one second. So that panel correlates with this panel as far as it being red, white, and blue versus burgundy and cream. So maybe something with this and those. So these rectangles are smaller than the other rectangles. Another thought with this one is cut them up and have little rectangles and make a banner. Some different ideas. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm open to ideas. So those are the first two. And then I have another one of the states. And then these guys are all in the cream base realm. So this one, this is definitely my favorite one. This was $13.75. And so this one is the United States. Isn't that so cute? I love that. I think it's so beautiful. I definitely want to make like a wall hanging with this. And I have a second one of that. The back could be this. So maybe like one side have the flag and the other side have the states. Like, that would be a pretty cute wall hanging. That's one thought. I don't know. Give me some other ideas in the comment section down below. The other thought is to make it into like a very simple quilt, you know, do just a couple little blocks. I could put the state blocks around it. However, like I said, this is burgundy and cream based, and these panels over here are white and red, so they don't really go that well together. So I don't know. That's just something to keep in mind. And then I have 3 bits of fabric. I forget the yardage on them. So this first one is Riley Blake, and it actually goes perfectly with the project panel that we're gonna make. And that was the reason I wanted to go into this shop, was because I was getting double zipper tape to finish the project pouch. But I saw this fabric and it also goes along with the panels that I got, right? So again, this could be used in some way. Here is another fabric. This one is so pretty. I love the red, white, and blue. And then here is another one. Okay, so these 3 fabrics, I don't know how to know which one's which. Isabella Navy. Okay, I think that's this one. So this one was 3.25 yards because I just got what was left on the bolt, and I actually got a discount because of getting all that was left. So let me show you better. And these fabrics feel so nice. Like, it's definitely much more expensive to buy fabric at a quilt shop. However, the quality is so much better than what was offered at Joann's or what you could get at Michael's or Walmart. It feels so nice. Okay, this one is Vintage Charm Floral. So this is 2 yards. And like I said, this is the Riley Blake design. And then this one is America the Beautiful White Patriotic, and this one was 2 yards. I love the red, white, and blue. I think it's just so beautiful, and I love the florals. I'm just a sucker for florals. And, you know, red, white, and blue fabric is available all year, but I just like, I don't know. I love these fabrics. I could not pass it up. So, yeah, went in for a zipper, came out with 2 bags of fabric, but, you know, that's how it goes. So we have more projects piling up that we need to do. I need to just take a year off of work and just work on sewing, you know what I mean? I wish I could dodge all my responsibilities and just sew. Okay, here are the thrift store fabrics. This first one was 50 cents, then we have 25 cents, then we have 50 cents, and then this one was $1. So, what, $2 of fabric right here? $2.25. Okay, this one is layer cakes, I want to say. I actually don't know. This is like a weird size. I don't know what these are because I don't think they're layer cakes because they're not square. Let's see. 10 by 12? I don't know what these are supposed to be. Maybe they were something bigger and someone cut them up. I don't know. I just thought, my ruler just fell. I thought these would be good to get washed up and add to the stash for our big jar opener project that we'll be doing in February. Every February, I make 600 jar openers. So these will be great to add to the stash. Okay, we've got duplicates here. Let me do it this way. 1 second. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. 2 duplicates here. Oh no, 4. I think someone had bigger pieces and they just cut them up. Okay, so we have this thing where they like sewed 3 pieces together. Then we have 1 piece that's these stripes. Then we have 1, 2, I thought it was 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 of this pattern. And then 3 of this pattern. That's not too shabby for 25 cents. This guy is 50 cents. Rolled up like this, I think it's the state of Delaware. That's what I'm hoping it is. Okay, so this is a really boring fabric. It's just the state of Delaware on repeat. But people like things that are specific like this, you know? Like this one. I bet someone will come up to my booth and be like, oh my gosh, my grandson loves hedgehogs. I'm going to get this because he loves hedgehogs. Someone will be like, oh my God, my daughter lives in Delaware. I'm going to get her this. You know what I mean? So like people like stuff like that, that it's not about the object. It's about what's on the object that people are into. Oh my gosh, this was like a custom print. I wonder if this is, what's that thing called? Spoon flower? I don't know. Here's like the information. Let me know if you've ever ordered fabric custom made before, if you recognize this like information. I'll try Googling it. So anyways, I'll be able to make some jar openers out of that. That'll be good. The next piece is 54 by 33 inches, and this was 50 cents. Goodness, this is ripping all over the place. Ugh, can't rip it. Okay. This would be good for pillows or outside furniture, maybe like a little patio thing or a tote bag or something like that. It's upholstery fabric. Very cute, citrus. And then our last piece of fabric is 22 by 54, and this was $1. Okay. And this one is like, not denim, I feel like a couch would be made out of this, or like, I don't know, want to say like an itchy pillow, but like, that's a decor pillow. Don't sit on that. You know, like that kind of fabric. I don't know how to explain it. It's very nice looking. It's like a woven fabric. So again, I feel like this could be made into pillows or like something for the couch or a little tote. I don't know. I don't know really much to do with upholstery fabric. So if you have any ideas, put them in the comment section down below. If you have any ideas with any of the other fabrics, let me know. Let me know what your favorite fabric is. Let me know if you've been to the quilt shop. Let me know if you've been to the thrift store. Let me know if you have other Delaware or NEPA, which is Northeastern PA, thrift store or quilt shops, and I will go check them out and I'll bring you a haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.